coiling method. So all the bodies are hollow. Now you understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
like this.
okay. Okay.
Coiled.
Here we are in the Terracotta Warrior Factory.
Idea to make the body hollow. First, that's why just now I said you must look at here first to understand why the warriors' heads come off and why the bodies are hollow. Because they were coiled.
And they were all hand-shaped on the outside after that.
Yes, outside, carved later. It was a very clever idea to use that method. First, the hollow body made the weight less, easier for them to carry because the real warriors are all this big. Second, during the firing process, the hot air could come out from the neck hole, then the body wouldn't easily crack. Okay, the most amazing part was the head. All the warriors' heads were made individually, and the faces were sculpted based on the real soldiers at that time. They're all different. Later in the museum, you are going to see thousands of different faces, and some of the young guys are quite handsome.
Was the head coiled too?
No, head were they were made like this. They used a ball-shaped mold to mold a ball shape, for the head. And then the hair bone, the nose, eyes, all the details were added on. By this way, they made similar bodies, different faces. Okay, the last step is the firing. After firing, no matter little ones or big ones, they must be fired in the kiln for about 5 days. The top firing temperature is around 1,000 centigrade. After firing, they become strong ceramic. You may leave them outside in the garden, like the ones you were taking pictures with. They have been there in the rain, in the snow for years, but still in good condition. Well, today we do one thing very special because many people, when they were here, they said, "Oh, I wish I could be one of the warriors. I love the warriors." Okay, we can realize your dream today. Let's go. Let me show you how.
Come with us even, Mark, when we take you all over the world, in this case, to Xi'an, China, to the Terracotta Warrior Factory. Ni hao, enjoy.